got this new pen here. Supposedly, it's supposed to get y'all fucked up. We're gonna find out. Let's see. Holy fuck! What the fuck is this? Oh, fuck! Fucking dizzy.